welcome back to Undefined Truth. Today I'm going to be talking to you about vision board and specifically a mental health vision board. If you want to know what a mental health vision board is and how this therapist is doing it a little bit different, then keep on watching. So as I just shared, I'm going to be doing a mental health vision board. Now, a little bit different from other vision board. As you can see, I didn't want to drop my video in the December of the previous year or in January of this year. I wanted to take a little bit of time, feel out 2018 for myself. I wanted to see what I actually wanted to accomplish, what I actually wanted to think about, where I was mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and then I was like, okay, I'm ready. One way that you'll see that I'm doing things different is that I left some white space because I know I'm not static. So even though it's February whenever you're watching this video, I'm not going to be the same in December. So I don't want to just lock everything in place. So if I come across something, I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm inspired. Or if I come across a hobby that I like, or a place or a destination that I all of a sudden want to go to, I want to be able to add to it throughout the year. So now let's talk about what you actually need before we get started. For your supplies, you'll need some scissors, need some magazines, or if you don't have any magazines, you can always Pinterest or Google pictures or affirmations or words of encouragement and print it off. And of course, you'll need a poster board. Step 2, like I talked about a little bit earlier, figure out what you want to do throughout this year. What is your vision? What encourages you? What are you kind of maybe trying to obtain this year? Number 3, it's best to kind of maybe make some categories, but if categories ain't your thing, don't worry. You can just do a nice collage of whatever you want, but just think about your vision. So first you get your supplies with step 1. Then step 2, you're brainstorming ideas, things that you maybe want to venture out. And then step number 3, you get your vision together. What you actually want to propel. What do you want to execute this year? Step number 4 is printing out things or getting some magazines, or in my case, borrowing some magazines, and start clipping out things that go along with your vision of the ideas that you brainstormed. And then step number 5 will be to lay it out. Now, as I'm talking about lay it out, I'm gonna switch you on over here so you can see me at my board and what I've kind of come up with as I talk to you about the different sections and how all of my steps came together for my vision board.
First off, sorry about this angle. Your girl will get better at recording from up above. But off camera, I've already got my supplies. I've already done my brainstormings, and I've kind of gotten where I want to envision myself going. So I created 5 different categories: positive affirmations, living life, for destinations and places that I want to travel, a place for physical health, a place for me kind of just creatively inspiring me to do crafts again, and a place for healthy nutrition food. I chose all of these different categories because I want to find just Rashawnda. I want an overall well-being mentally, emotionally, physically, and spiritually. So as you can see now, I've kind of just cut out all the things that inspire me from various different magazines, and I'm placing them in places that kind of just suits my eye, with, of course, leaving space for me to add on if I want to throughout the year. And just a little tip, don't put this somewhere where you can avoid it. Please don't. Don't put it in the back of your closet. Put it somewhere where you'll always see it, so that if you're having a bad day or a good day, it kind of just pushes you and motivates you. And that's my vision board. That's my section on living life. That's my section on fitness, my section on my artsy side, my food section, and my positive affirmations. And I don't think aesthetically it was pleasing me, so I was still moving some things around. But yep, that's my vision board.
There you have it. That was my vision board, my mental health vision board to be exact. If you like these type of videos, kind of the hands-on therapy with me, where I show you different activities and put kind of those words on the page and tips and put them into action, then definitely give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you head on out of this video. Join the mental health community. All things related to mental health. I'm Rashawnda. I'm a licensed therapist, and thanks for watching.